Hello everyone, welcome to another Meet the Bag segment here at Beans Bag and Handicraft Co. Today I want to introduce you to the new Shamballa bag called the Serafina Bag. This is the gorgeous girl here. Said she's not a big bag, she's a small to medium sized bag. She is meant to be carried on the crook of your arm. Of course, longer straps can be requested. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. So she's got these unique buckle straps on the front and the back. She's got this flap closure that is held together with, well, it's usually a turn lock, but I used a flip lock on this one. She's got magnetic snaps here that help give her her unique shape. You can open it up to get more. For a small bag, she is actually quite roomy inside, and she has one zipper pocket here as well. I just think this bag is so very adorable. So yes, she can be made in cotton print, she can be made in all vinyl, she could be made in cork, leather. World is your oyster with this one. So yeah, if you would like to order one of these, you know who to call.